Background checks for Hazmat. So in this video we're going to go over some things regarding Hazmat background checks. If you go to sheriffsdepartment.net, we have a lot of state resources that you could use directly at the state and county level to do all kinds of background checks, and we're going to quickly look into the Hazmat related background check and typically what it requires. I'm going to select the state just to have as an example. Let's do state of Maryland, and a Hazmat requires a criminal background check for people that work with like hazardous transport hazardous materials, in addition to the CDL background that or whatever requirements they have. So each state will typically have its own set of instructions and applications that need to be submitted. The criminal background check is ran through the state, so if you go look at criminal records under whatever state you're interested in this example we're doing Maryland, you'll find all sorts of background checks that are available within that state. This is done directly through the state, and a lot of times they might not necessarily have something specific for hazardous material endorsement for commercial driver's licenses, but in this case there are some instructions, and it's pretty much saying that Transportation Security Administration has passed regulations requiring commercial drivers that transport hazardous material to undergo a security screening that includes a criminal history background check. And so they'll either have instructions right on the official state background check page, or they'll maybe send you to another page, and in this case I just clicked on it and there's nothing here. So sometimes the link is broken, and what you can do is in this case the Department of looks like the Department of Public Safety is working with Motor Vehicle Administration. So if you go to their page and maybe just type in Hazmat, you'll be able to find something specific to the CDL and the hazardous material endorsement page. In this case, the instructions, and it looks like all the instructions are here in a PDF file. In most states you're going to be able to find something similar to this. You can start off by checking the official background check page of the state, and you're able to locate one for every state on sheriffsdepartment.net. If it's not available there, you can just try to search for Hazmat on maybe the Motor Vehicle Administration specific page that the state has available to you. So I'll go ahead and drop the link for sheriffsdepartment.net in the description. You can also just type that into your browser and see what we can help you find.